Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Courtney here. I am back with another video. Yes, I am back with a new series, and this is my travel series. If anybody knows me, they know I love to travel. And 90% of my travel is basically done spontaneously. Like, it's more or less, hey, let's go on a trip. Okay, let's go. Let's get up and go. So I wanted to share with you guys my 5 essential tips on how to pack like a pro. And I like to think of myself as a pro. Let's get into the video. Tip number 1, the first thing that I do, I make a travel packing list. I don't just say hair stuff, because depending on how I'm wearing my hair, whether I'm wearing it straight or curly, do I need a curling iron? If I'm not wearing it curly at the time, do I want to use a flat iron? So I usually put everything that I could possibly need on this list, and as I'm going through the list, I know basically how I'm wearing my hair and which way I'm going to go about styling my hair and what products that I need. Tip number 2, I use packing cubes. I have so many packing cubes, it is unreal. I like to usually get the see-through packing cubes so I'll know what I have in each cube. So moving on to the next tip. The next tip is to lay out your outfits. I know it's not just lay out your outfits, it's lay your outfits out and try them on. My biggest problem that I used to have would be overpacking. And you know your weight restriction limit is 50 pounds when you travel. And either you can pay $100 because it's over 50 pounds, or you can do the work prior to at the house to limit you from having 50 pounds, which helps. So what I do is I actually have a garment rack, and I'll roll it out, put it up, and I will hang all of my stuff that I plan on wearing. Tip number 4, try everything on, including your accessories. I say this because there is a weight limit at the airport, and it is 50 pounds. If you go over, 1 pound could cost you $100. And depending on who you get at that ticket counter, homie, don't play that. They do not play that. And I'm glad they do, because that's a safety issue for the passengers on the plane, depending on how many pounds you go over and how many pounds they let slide. So there is a weight restriction for aircraft, and there's a weight restriction for your bags. I don't know about you guys. I used to have the biggest problem with keeping my luggage under 50 pounds, and it will cost you money, honey, okay? So my tip number 4 comes from trial and error and a financial learning experience. I say try everything on from head to toe, because that could eliminate an extra pair of shoes, an extra bag. It could eliminate weight out of your suitcase, and it also makes it easier for when you arrive, you know specifically how every outfit should look. Tip number 5 on how to pack like a pro: roll up your clothes. I find that rolling my items makes for more room to add other items that I need or that are a part of the items that I packed. I have a top and a bottom. I like to fold it the top, put it with the bottom, and roll them together. So when I unroll it, oh, there's my whole entire outfit. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this first episode of my travel series. I have a couple of series going now on my YouTube channel. However, this is something that is near and dear to my heart, as I love to travel. And so, yeah, I'm gonna keep posting videos. Some are gonna be my travels, some are gonna be my stretch mark series, some are gonna be some other whatever is inspiring me or interesting me at the moment. I don't have a specific avenue for this channel. This is just beauty, lifestyle, and travel. That's it. So there's a little bit of everything that you're gonna get on this channel. So I thank you so much for sticking with me thus far. I thank you to all my new subbies. I really appreciate you guys. You don't know, I'm not gonna cry. You don't know how much that means to me when I see a new subscriber, because this has been a dream of mine, and every subscriber matters.